What's going on, my gaming and crypto army? Welcome back to the JDC channel. This is not financial advice. I will not tell you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm going to give you the details. You make your own informed decision on your choice. Because if you sell and you don't like the results, don't come crying back to me because I warned you. All right, guys. Let's talk about what's going on in the market today. Everything is in the red. But while you guys are seeing red, I am seeing green. The way I see it is on the day, on the 24 hours, we have Bitcoin down 2.1%, Ethereum down 4.9%. On a 7-day, on a week basis, Bitcoin is down 12.9%. Ethereum, even more so on losses, is 21.2%. And when we go down to some of my more favorite coins, we have XRP down 15% on the week. We have Shiba Inu down 22% on the week. Crypto.com almost 25%. And Stellar, where are you, Stellar, down here? Down 16%. Now, while everybody's seeing red, I'm seeing green. These are amazing Walmart discounts that I've been talking about. This is the time to buy, and it may go down even further. And if it goes further, I will buy again. You cannot miss these opportunities. Why? Because when you look at things historically, this happens all the time. The real catalyst here is Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes down, it brings down everything with it. And if Ethereum goes down as well, the number 2 spot, everything else is going to follow Ethereum. It seems that a lot of tokens that are built on Ethereum tend to follow it very closely as well. And so when looking at these things, I'm not scared. I'm holding because I know what's going to happen. The same thing that has happened year after year. Things go down, they shoot back up to all-time highs. So this is not an issue for me. I see this as a great thing. Let's try on my microphone, that'd be handy. So let's talk about Bitcoin here, because we really need to see what it has done in the past. And I'm looking at the Bitcoin USD here and the price action. I mean, every time it goes sideways for a very long time, and then it just shoots up, right? And we're going to see a downward trend afterwards, but we're always creating new higher lows. And then all of a sudden it drops down for a minute and shoots back up. And again, a lot of sideways action, drops down, shoots back up. And it goes to all-time highs. And then again, here we saw it in the past in 2021, April, it just tanked. It went as far down as 29, 28, and then it shot back up to all-time highs. I mean, look at this. At one point, this candle even reached 68,000. And now it's shooting back down and taking everything with it before it shoots back up. And I don't know how much farther this is going to go. This is, up in the air. But historically, it's proven that this will shoot back up. I mean, the next lows are probably in the range of 36 to 35,000. If it breaks through that, the next lows would be about 29,000, could be 30,000. If it breaks below that, it is possible for this to keep going even farther down as far as 25, 24. If it goes below that, 20. But I don't think it's going to go that far down. I think relatively soon it's going to start jumping back up, because a lot of people that weren't in crypto initially are taking this opportunity to buy the cryptocurrency, right? So a lot of people understand that you don't buy retail price. You wait till Walmart drops those prices down to a price where you can make a good profit and you're not chasing the all-time highs. Could you imagine if you bought this at about 66,000 on Bitcoin, and right now it's sitting around 41,000? You have to wait for it to go up 20 grand just to get your money back, right? Whereas if you were the smart person, you would buy it down here because the potential for it to go up is there, but the potential for it to go down is there as well. But most likely this is a safe bet. A lot safer than buying it up here, right? Do I think it's going to eventually exceed this number? Yes, I think it's going to very rapidly exceed 65,000. There's a lot of manipulation in the market, as always, from the whales. They know to sell, to shake the tree. They want to scare investors or retail investors like me and you. They want to knock as many of us off as we can so that we sell and we take our losses with our tail between our legs, only for them to eventually buy it all back up and create a FOMO environment where you're going to have fear of missing out. on the way up, and you're going to not make as much profits as they are. This is the way it's always been. This is the way it works, even in stock markets. So you definitely want to always buy these dips. Always buy these dips. If you're a Bitcoin person, this is the time to buy. Me personally, I like the altcoins. Why? Because even if I bought this right here at 40 grand, for me to 2x my money, this has to reach 80 grand. Is it possible? Can it do it? Hypothetically, yes. And is it possible? And do a lot of millionaires think that, and billionaires think that this is going to go much higher? Yes, absolutely. Especially in the way that the US dollar is going down. You can certainly see that crypto is becoming a much safer bet than the actual US dollar. Not only that, but people are starting to realize that why am I going to leave my money in my savings account and get less than 1% interest rate annually, where I can drop it in cryptocurrency where I can at least get 8% or more. I've seen much higher. I've seen as far as 400% APY on some liquidity pools and farming. So is the future of crypto done? Is this the all-time highs? No, I think it's going to go much higher. But all right, guys, hold your grounds. I don't recommend selling. Again, you do your own research, make your own decisions. I will not tell you what to do, but I do recommend holding. Right now, it's not a good time to sell because we are going to shoot up at all-time highs. We're just waiting for the next bull run. Altcoin season is around the corner. We are going to see some exponential gains. If you're not a big fan of playing with such big money like this, go to the altcoins. I have other videos on Stellar Lumens, XRP, Shiba Inu, Crow, Crypto.com. So those are all much safer bets. And again, this is something that is going to happen continuously. You're going to see it go back up and it's going to come back down. Don't get scared. Don't let the whales shake you off the tree. Make sure you get your share of the pie. And remember, if you do not want a cryptocurrency, look at my previous video where I talk about an exit strategy so that you can exit in a smart manner where you don't lose all your money and you actually make gains on the way out. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this content. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, hit the notification button down below. It really helps me out. I'm trying to reach my goal of 100 subscribers. But I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Have a good one.